my god. We are really trying to install this wing on this. Oh, do you guys know this is the second gen Integra? Alright?
Where's the rest of it?
In here.
You guys, I thought this was gonna be bigger.
You said big wang, not Mac wang.
You said big wang.
I'm gonna get rid of it.
It's big enough. That's it.
Nah, that's it.
Look at her face. Look at Stressed out.
Oh my god, look at that fresh carbon. Oh, that's carbon? Yeah.
Damn, look at that.
That was a shimmer. That's sick, man.
Yeah, first the carbon fiber hood, now the carbon fiber wing.
Damn.
Okay, so we're just gonna let her or let them install it. I'm gonna go find my twin. I found two TLs out here. They're technically somewhat a similar build as me. I'm gonna go check it out because this is pretty interesting. But I did bring my Lexus, so I found my twin, guys. I found my twin. Ran the same wheels as me. I think he's on bags too. Oh, is it static?
Static, yeah.
Oh, wait, you're the owner? Yeah. Hey, what's up? You're static for this shit?
Yeah.
Hey, what's your Instagram?
Jay Ronza.
Okay, for sure. I met you! You asked me about the weds, remember? When I had that black TL?
Are you leaking?
Yeah.
Oh shit! Nice to meet you, bro.
I was like, when you said your Instagram name, I was like, that sounds so familiar. So this is all rap too, huh?
No, it's pink.
No, don't fuck around with me, man. Oh shit, it is all pink, dude. Look at that.
You can open the door.
Oh, this shit is legit paint. Holy shit. Oh my god. He has a better interior than me though. Just, I'll give him that. God damn. I like it. I like it. I like it. Sheesh. Look at the clear tail lights. Oh my god. Oh, my throne's taken by this guy now. Shit, man. Swear to God. All right, I finally found my other twin. Apparently, I did not know he moved up into my area because he used to live around Southern California, or a little bit close to Southern California or Central California. Here, I didn't realize it was him because I was like, wait, this car looks so freaking familiar. The weds, you know, black color. I was like, this car looks very familiar. So apparently, we actually know each other in person. So I'll link his Instagram in the video somewhere right here, or like when we were seeing each other. So let's get back to the other people. Let's see what they're doing. All right, guys, let's just get going.
Hey, Yao Ming, is that Yao Ming? Is that Yao Ming?
Okay, so this is what I get for being 6 foot tall. That's my, because this fat fuck right here, where is he?
Oh,
Wait, this fat fuck calls me Yao Ming.
Friend, bro. Don't do it like that. Yeah, that's Spider-Man's best friend, bro. Don't do it.
Huh?
He's famous. That's Spider-Man's best friend.
I know.
Oh.
Spider-Man, man.
You know what that is? I think like,
Okay, let's get back into what they were doing. Are you guys still installing that wing?
yeah. So apparently, it doesn't fit. We gotta drill. We gotta do something.
I was gone for like at least 15 minutes and they still haven't put anything together. Damn, this motherfucker must be tuned, dude. Look. And it's a wide body. I like it though. Look at that.
What do you want?
This fucker wants me to drift. I have no drift money.
What the hell, nigga? You're acting like I got money.
No.
Exactly, nigga.
I'll let you guys know I can't drift for shit. Okay, I can't drift for shit.
Dude.
No.
Why would you get a 6-speed IS, dude, and fucking not drift it?
Here's my twin. This is my twin right here. This is my other twin that a lot of people are mistaking me by him too. But overall, I like how this car looks. Yeah, he has the same drift dialect mufflers as me too. Look at that. Same one. Then he has the NSX taillights. You guys can see that. It's pretty cool. Wonder if he modified these before. Yeah. And plus, I think he told me that his is a 6-speed. You guys can't see, but I think it's. I think he told me it was a 6-speed too. So yeah. All right. So I finally found my other twin. He was actually pretty chill.
Hey guys, welcome. It's wait. Yo, it's Ken just backed in the.
Okay, never mind. Just ignore them. But I do love his build since he's kind of identical to me. No, pretty much identical. Airlift, air suspension, drift dialects, same amount of camber. Pretty good fitment, but I like this guy. He's a pretty cool dude. So I dethroned my crown to give it to him. He's gonna carry on. So whoever's in the TL game in the Bay Area, if you guys see him, that's him, not me. Okay, just letting you guys know. I don't know his Instagram, so subscribe to my OnlyFans. People are weird.
Hey.
Dude, those are some fucking ABG nails. Look at that shit.
Please.
This says she's a thought, man. Shit ugly, man. When they're green, I swear to God.
Okay, show your nails.
Bitch.
Show your nails.
I don't have nails. Hey, bitch, at least mine are real.
Oh.
Ah! Man, this boy is static, bro. What the fuck? Right. I forgot. Calvin finally brought us 240. This shit's been sitting in the garage. You don't even have a garage. Never mind, you don't even have one.
Next to a trash can for like 2 years.
Look, the headlights are just happy that it's here now.
It's Amazon special. The hood don't even close. Fat ass. It's sponsored by Gap. You feel me?
Oh man, you know what? That's pretty good.
Got some fake ass wheels. I'm not getting those in. My freaking visor flew off, so I gotta tape it. And I was too broke to buy the 3M. We just got an engine swap, so now I can't even buy it. Look at this. I found this. I found this shit, bro. Self-roasting, bro.
This is a true 240 right now. You're living it up to the icon.
And we have the Boofadors. Yeah. That's my exhaust. It just fell off. You see all the stickers? It's all my sponsors. No, just kidding. It's because my paint's chipping off, so I gotta put stickers on it. Bro, how much did you pay for that? For the stickers?
Dude, look, he has a screw right here too.
Hell yeah. What?
Hey, what happened right here, man?
2,000. Cheap ass paint job.
Yeah, this is the biggest gap I ever seen.
My mama's nails is fucking better paint than this, bro. My mama's toenails is better paint than this. You
What the
feel
fuck
me?
happened right there?
Yeah, it's a book.
What the fuck?
So I gotta buy.
Is this
wait,
custom? This shit is custom, huh?
This is for better airflow.
Holy shit, how the air is gonna get up there, man?
No, just kidding. Because we did the cooler in the blue, so the hose are there. But other than that, oh, I gotta check the oil later. That reminds me.
Oh, no wonder you're running low on oil. This shit isn't even proper either.
This guy got a short ram coming.
All right, guys, so we're going to IHOP to eat right now. Oh, look, Jenny's back. But, okay, so I parked my car over there, right there, because my shit is bone stock. Those fuckers are all modified. Dude, I don't feel like I'm capable to be parked next to you guys anymore. Well, we ended up in the sushi place. Look at that. Hi, man.
What's up? What's good?
Just alone. Just the boyfriend's in the bathroom. Yeah, we're definitely having sushi because IHOP didn't work out.
Having raw.
God damn, dude, everyone's always getting the good food, man. Oh, look at Calvin eating. Look over here.
How is it, Calvin?
That shit must. Look at this. Dude, I try to make him eat this mint ice cream, but he won't eat it, man. Shit. Damn, look at this, man. This is fried oysters. My first time trying it, man. Sheesh. Here's my first taste of it.
Oh yeah.
Told you it was hot.